Hey friends, tonight on Doodle the Travel Bug, we are staying at an award-winning boutique hotel that's also a contemporary art museum. Stay with us and the iconic yellow penguin. The 21C Museum Hotel is located just steps away from the Aronoff Center for the Arts in downtown Cincinnati, Ohio. We've stayed in 21C hotels before in Louisville and Lexington, so we know what we're in for and we're here for it. 21C Museum hotels really live up to their name. Art is around every corner. The 21C is dedicated solely to collecting and exhibiting the art of the 21st century. It's free of charge and open 24 hours daily to guests. Restaurants at the 21C hotels are chef-driven with unique points of view, supporting local farmers, and Metropole at the 21C Cincinnati is no different. Executive chef Zach Barnes takes a modern spin on classic French and Italian cooking, and it's one of our favorite restaurants in the Queen City. Come here, I have to show you something. I'm so excited. Okay, go in. It looks like a normal bathroom. Just very stark and clean and white. It's great, but look at, there's hidden tiles. Look at this. Look at this. Nose. I'll go in the shower. Mouth.
And who is this guy?
Look at that. Isn't that awesome?
That's weird.
This is awesome. The tiles are body parts. All right, let's go check out the rest of the room. Come on. It's nice. It's very modern. The bed is just low to the ground. Everything's very sleek. I like your goose pillows. This is kind of swanky, isn't it? Drape myself in velvet. It's a good room.
Yeah.
21C, well done.
For more unique travel shows, like and subscribe to see where Doodlebug goes next.